Some of Wales's top young chefs have gone head-to-head using local produce, including Welsh lamb and Welsh beef, in a bid to reach the final of a national competition. The teenagers were competing in the regional final of the Future Chef 2010 competition, which looks for the UK's best young chef. The event was sponsored by Hubby Key Cymru Meat Promotion Wales as part of their work to get more chefs around the world using Welsh lamb and Welsh beef on their menus. Elwyn Roberts, Hubby Key Cymru's consumer executive, explains why HCC got involved in the competition.
It's very important for HCC to be sponsoring this type of event because obviously last year 7,500 took part over the UK, and of course we had the first ever winner from Wales, Luke Thomas, and we feel it's very, very important to encourage chefs to use the best produce, Welsh produce, and of course Welsh lamb and beef, and they will be the chefs of the future, and of course it's important that they do use Welsh lamb and Welsh beef.
Guests at the competition at Yale College in Wrexham were treated to a special luncheon prepared by last year's winner Luke Thomas, who used Welsh lamb in the final. He says it's important that more chefs support local produce, such as Welsh lamb and Welsh beef.
Yeah, I think it's majorly important that we are using Welsh produce, not only to support local suppliers who are, day in, day out producing fantastic food, so we're supporting them, but I think it's great that they get to see what Wales has to offer. That regional final in there today, there's 7 talented young chefs, they're all using Welsh produce in there, and I think it is very important, really, really important.
The winner of this year's competition was Fionn Evans from Powys, who impressed with her Welsh beef dish. She explains why she chose Welsh beef.
Because my mentor now, he supported me really, really well, and I just thought that, seems as I'm from Wales, I thought use Welsh products and just enterprise like it. So if you've come from that country, then it's important that you use your Welsh products.
Fionn will now take on the other regional winners in the grand final in London, where she hopes to follow in the footsteps of Luke and become the Future Chef 2010 champion.